In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do custom ear wrap on a small loom from Michaels, on a mini loom. So to begin, you need to make a slip knot. Tie the knot around the back. And there is two ways to do that. The first way, it doesn't matter if you work counterclockwise or clockwise. It's your preference. I like to do it this way. So you wrap one more time around the back and you flip over. Then you wrap one time around the second peg and one more time and flip over. Tie the yarn. You don't have to tie too much because on the next row you're gonna need to flip over each of the stitch. It's not good to be too tight or too loose, so you have to play a little bit to find out the right tension with your loom. And again, wrap one, wrap second time, and then flip over. So if you want to do the whole row, you just continue to do the same for the whole row. That's the first way to do this. The second way, and my favorite one, if I'm gonna do the whole row and if I'm making a circle, I sometimes use this peg for the slip knot, and this helps hold your knitting in place. Tie a little bit, and this way you just wrap around each of the pegs once. When you finish the row, you have to wrap again for the second row. So in this case, I'm gonna do one more row. And just flip all of the stitches at once. And this is called the ear wrap cast on because it looks like a cursive E, I guess. And then you flip over. And that's the cast on, the ear wrap cast on that I'm showing you in this video. If you like to support my channel, please like, subscribe, or leave a comment. And we'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.